do you feel?
Damn thin, man. That shit looks like some 520 almost.
Looks pretty thin, don't it?
Yeah.
Good shit. Was this about 12 quarts, right? 15?
Supposed to hold 15.
How's your drain bucket looking? Good?
I'm about halfway. Wow. So this bitch probably only got 8, 9 quarts in it, maybe.
Let that drip. Give me a full measurement once he gets into the containers and let me know how many containers we get, okay?
Just this one.
Alright, that's fine. I mean, as in when he brings...
Ain't even a full.
That's not a full gallon?
No.